Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the join clause in structured query language. The join clause combines the records from two or more tables in a database. And the types of join are inner join, left join, right join, full join and cross join. So first of all we're going to talk about the inner join. The inner join selects records that have matching value in both the tables. So we have the table 1 and the table 2. So the inner join selects the record that have matching value in both the tables. And the syntax is we write select and then the column name from table 1 name, and then we have the keyword inner join and then the table 2 name, and then we have to write on, and then we have to specify the two column which sets relationship between the table 1 and table 2. So we have to write table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. Like an example, we have two tables, order table and customer table, and here the CID is the relation between two tables. The CID of the order table refers to the CID of the customer's table. Now we can perform the inner join between two tables. So we have to write select orders.orderID. So we are selecting order ID from orders table, comma customers.name. So we are selecting the name column from the customer table, and we are selecting order number from the orders table. And then we have to write from the table 1 name orders, and then we have to write inner join and then the table 2 name customer, and then we have to write on orders.cid equal customers.cid. So here the CID is the relationship between two tables. So this is the way we can perform the inner join. So this query will return one table where we are going to have the order ID column from the orders table, the name column from the customer table, and the order number column from the orders table. And this is the way we perform inner join between two tables. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.